Ever wonder why some of your emails land in the inbox while others end up in spam? Or worse, what if someone impersonates your email and sends phishing scams to your customers? The good news is there are tools that help stop this from happening. They're called SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Now, if those acronyms sound like alphabet soup, don't worry, I'm going to explain what they mean, how they work together, and why they're essential for protecting your email reputation. So let's jump in. Let's start with a quick reality check. Email scammers are everywhere. They can pretend to be you and trick your customers into opening dangerous links. On top of that, email providers like Gmail and Outlook are getting stricter about deciding what's legit and what's spam. So if you're sending business emails, whether it's newsletters, invoices, or updates, you need to prove you're the real you. That's where SPF, DKIM, and DMARC come in. They're like security guards for your email. First up is SPF, which stands for Sender Policy Framework. Think of SPF like a guest list for your domain. Here's how it works. Create a list of approved email servers that are allowed to send emails on your behalf. When an email arrives at someone's inbox, the receiving server checks if the email came from one of those approved servers. If it's not on the list, the email gets flagged or rejected. For example, if you use Gmail, MailChimp, or your company's email server, you'd add those to your SPF record. Next is DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. DKIM is like putting a digital signature on your emails. Here's how it works. When you send an email, your email server adds an invisible signature to the message. The receiving server checks the signature to make sure the email wasn't altered during delivery. If the signature matches, the email is trusted. If not, it might get flagged as suspicious. So DKIM proves the email really came from you and wasn't tampered with along the way. Finally, we have DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. DMARC is like the boss that oversees SPF and DKIM. Here's how it works. So you set up DMARC to tell email servers what to do if SPF or DKIM checks fail. Should they let the email through? Should they mark it as spam? Or should they reject it completely? DMARC also sends you reports so you can see if anyone's trying to impersonate your email domain. With DMARC in place, you're actively protecting your brand and ensuring scammers don't ruin your reputation. So here's a quick summary of how SPF, DKIM, and DMARC work as a team. SPF checks if the email came from an approved server. DKIM verifies the email signature to ensure it wasn't altered, and DMARC enforces the rules and reports back to you. Together, they help your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders, and stop scammers from impersonating you. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need all of this? I mean, if you're a business owner sending emails to customers, the answer is yes. Without SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, your emails are more likely to land in spam. Scammers can impersonate your email and damage your reputation, but with these tools in place, you'll protect your brand, improve deliverability, and ensure customers trust your emails. All right, we've covered a lot today. SPF equals guest list. DKIM is the signature. DMARC is the boss enforcing the rules. Now, if you want help setting up your email authentication for your business, drop a comment below or reach out. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.